5K subs, baby. 5,000 subs, New England Pete. What? Can that even be in the same sentence? Regardless, thank you guys so much for 5,000 subscribers. That's insane. Unbelievable. Crazy. So I decided to give my thanks to you, and a lot of you guys have requested, and I kind of put a poll up to see what you guys wanted to see on the channel, and sort of as the 5,000 subscriber special video. I'm a little late, but life happens, and it really does hit hard sometimes, and unfortunately when I hit 5,000 subs, it was like a bittersweet moment just because of everything that was going on in my life, and I really wasn't able to really enjoy that kind of achievement of mine. So now I'm kind of like out of that zone, and I'm ready to make more videos for you guys. So I'm really excited. I'm really stoked. So for this video, we're gonna do launch control, and I have multiple camera angles set up. We'll do a POV, we'll do an outside view of the car, and of course the exhaust, so you guys can hear that sound of the exhaust, because I tell you, it's insane. It sounds really good. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. It's gonna be awesome. As you guys can see, we have a little bit of rain, and that's probably gonna put a little bit of a damper on the old launch, but hey, it's a Golf R, right? I think we can launch it. I think we'll do a fantastic job. We're on new tires. I'll have a new review coming out for those new tires very shortly. I gotta film it still. There's so many things that I have to film for you guys, but I'm excited because I will have those videos out shortly. So I'm really excited. And yeah, I'm back to doing YouTube. I'm back to doing Golf R videos especially. And hopefully I applied to a partnership program with a couple companies, and we'll see what happens, because right now I'm not in the economic situation to purchase parts. I'm trying to be as responsible as possible. You guys have to realize I'm 21 years old and I'm paying for this Golf R all by myself. It's really not easy, but thanks to YouTube, it's really allowing me to do it. So I just want to keep growing and keep building that yeah. And yeah, we're gonna get some launches in, or at least one really good launch for you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's hit the road. All right, so for our launch control procedure, first we'll make our gauges a little bit bigger so you guys get a cool idea. We're at 15K miles too. Just got an oil change today. Our temps are kind of where we want them to be. It's a little rainy. I apologize. We're doing the best we can. So when I turn off traction, I fully hold down the button to defeat everything. I want pretty much to be in control of the vehicle. And then I go over here. I put the car into its race mode. The revs pick up, and it's pretty much ready for launch control right now. And then of course, when I line up to where I want to be, foot on the brake and then foot on the throttle, I mash both down, and then when I'm ready to launch, lift up on the brake and then hold down the throttle. One thing you want to make sure you're not doing is you don't want to hold down on the throttle too far past the click down point, because then it's going to shift a little bit hard, and it's pretty much going to just try to rev out as high as it can, almost like you're passing someone on the highway. You don't want to fully depress the throttle. You can obviously do that when you're building up launch, but as you launch, you kind of want to lightly let off the throttle. I mean, you obviously want to be pretty much at 98%, but don't push it down all the way past the click down point or whatever, I don't know what they call it, but regardless, I think we're ready for a little bit of a launch, and hopefully no one's coming, because we're not in the best spot. I'm gonna say that now, but oh, fingers crossed. Gonna line up to the camera. We got a lot of cool camera action going, so all right, I think this is perfect. God. Oh man. That was a launch if I've ever. That was nutty. We had a truck coming, so I just had to pretty much get right on it. Wow. Well, hopefully you guys like that launch. All I can say is this car right here is an absolute animal, completely stock, but it still puts a smile on my face. As stated before, it's just purely based off of what I can afford right now, which is not much. I just spent a lot of money on this vehicle on tires, and I needed alignment really badly. like really badly, an oil change, all of that. And I am doing my best right now, and I really, again, YouTube is like, YouTube right now as far as jobs go, it is my highest priority. I don't have any other jobs. It's purely YouTube and school, of course. So, but regardless, 5,000 subscribers, guys, that gives me a little bit of hope and really makes me want to post more. Obviously, I love doing it, but as you guys know, YouTube is my full-time job right now, and I just need to post more videos. I really do. So, got a lot of cool stuff. I actually have some cool product reviews that I'm really excited to announce. And I won't announce that in this video, not this one yet, but stay tuned because there's a lot of cool stuff coming. So before I end the video, I just want to thank everyone for 5,000 subscribers because, well, that's amazing. That's a big ass number. And lastly, thank you guys for all the supporters who have been watching for a very long time. Be sure to leave a comment below because I appreciate you all. You guys give me the inspiration to keep posting videos, and without you, I can't imagine where I'd be. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Peace out.